Hello everyone, this is Jason. We're looking at how to graph an equation from point slope form. So we're going to be given equations in point slope form. Remember, point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And if we look at the directions here, it says draw the point from the equation in yellow. So the point from the equation, that's going to be this x1, y1 right here. And then draw at least one additional point in red using the slope. So now the slope is going to be the value m. So we're going to look at two quick examples. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then hopefully that'll help you in your lesson as you're doing them. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the point first. So the point here, it's x1, y1. So since this is plus 1 and the form is minus, that means that's going to be negative 1. And then my y value is going to be 3. So in yellow, I'm plotting that point, negative 1, 3, right there. And then it says plot at least one additional point. I suggest you do 2, but 1 is good in red. So the slope is 3/4. So that means from this point, I'm going to go up 3, right 4. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can continue to go in that direction, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can go from the initial point and go the opposite direction. So instead of going up, I'm going to go down. Instead of going right, I go left. So down 3, left 4. And so you get a nice set of straight points. Now, this program I'm using, I can't draw a straight line yet. But I'll do my best to get through those points. There we go. So that's what yours should look like. The tool you're using has the graphing tool, so you can draw a nice straight line right through those. All right, one more example. This time, I just chose this one because we have a decimal for our slope instead of a fraction or a number. So I want you to see how to do that. So same idea. We're starting with the point. Since it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The point will be negative 3, negative 2, because both of those are plus. So in yellow, plot that point, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 2, right there. And then we're going to find the slope. Now my m here is 0.6. We're going to make this into a fraction, so that'll be 6 over 10, which equals 3/5. And so again, following the rules, we're going up 3 because it's positive. We're going right 5 because that's positive. If this was a negative, then one of these would be a negative value. So we're going up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1 point. Again, like I said, you can do this multiple times in the same direction. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I suggest at least 3 because that gives you that nice straight line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the opposite direction. And then just draw your line. So I hope this helps you with graphing from point slope form. If you need help with this as you're working, please let me know and I'll get you some additional resources.